In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare your machine for transporting. The method for transporting differs with whether the machine will be used within 6 months after transport or stored for more than 6 months without use after the machine has been transported. If the machine will be used within 6 months, continue to watch this video. If not, there's another video with instructions for longer-term storage. Before you begin, be careful and make a note that the tilt angle of the machine should never be more than 40 degrees. First, check and prepare the required number of ink tanks and maintenance cartridge replacements. To do this, select Status Monitor on your Operations Panel home screen, then Device Information and Printhead Information. After reinstalling the machine, consumables are required according to their replacement rank. Print out or make a note of the cartridge replacement rank and the ink tank information. Unload any paper from the paper trays and drawers. Next, check for the printhead locking rod. Select Menu, then Adjustment Maintenance, then Maintenance, followed by Maintenance Cartridge Replacement. Select Unlock and open the front cover. Check that the printhead locking rod is present. Close the front cover. Return to the Operations panel and select Menu in the home screen, then Adjustment Maintenance, then Maintenance, followed by Preparation for Transporting. Enter your System Manager login credentials. Check the message and confirm that you will be using the machine within 6 months of moving it. If so, press No. Once you have begun preparation to transport the machine, it cannot be halted. If no consumable replacements are ready, do not start preparation. Check the message and ensure that you have new consumables ready if required, and then press Yes. As you have already checked to see if the locking rod is present, select No. In the screen for selecting to initialize settings, select either Yes or No. By selecting Yes, the machine will restore all data including logs and setting values to their default settings at the time of purchase. Select this at times such as when the user of the machine changes. If you would like to save your settings, select No. The machine will start preparing for transportation. Select Unlock. When Open Front Cover is displayed, open the front cover. Remove the maintenance cartridge and place it in a plastic bag. Close firmly to prevent ink from spilling out. Remove the handhold cover and close the front cover. Select Unlock once again and open the front cover. Remove the printhead locking rod stowed in the machine and insert it into the slot. After pushing it all the way, lower the lever to the left. Close the front cover and read the instructions on the screen carefully. When you are ready, turn off the machine and begin to disconnect the cables and cords in this order. Begin with the power plug at the wall, followed by the power cord by unfastening and removing the cord clamp. Next, disconnect the LAN cable and then the USB cable, followed by the handset cable, and then the external telephone, and finally the telephone cable. Next, remove the book holder and this paper drawer cover at the bottom. If an optional cassette feeding unit is installed, remove the stabilizer from the right side of the cassette feeding unit. Remember that the stabilizer will also be required after transporting the machine, so do not discard it and store it in a safe place. Pull out paper drawer number 3 slightly. Turn the screws fastening the machine and the cassette feeding unit and remove these 3 covers. Close paper drawer number 3. Remove the connector cover from the main unit and the cassette feeding unit, and remove the cassette feeding unit connector cable. Congratulations, you are now ready to transport your WG7000 series. Make sure you use the handholds to move it. The machine is heavy and you will need 4 people to lift it safely.